AirGap's newest feature, isolated modules. The cornerstones of AirGap were already set in 2017 to creating a secure, fully open-source solution that is accessible to everybody. Over the years, our community has grown thanks to new security features, and of course thanks to new chain integrations. And this is going to increase, thanks to isolated module. Let me explain. Each integration of AirGap used to run in the same container. Thanks to the restructuring of AirGap, each individual integration can run separately. This is not only more elegant, it also increases the security of the solution. In case there is an issue with one integration, it cannot affect the others. Furthermore, the new structure of isolated modules leaves room for further integrations, which can be contributed by the community. AirGap now acts as the base, to which the community can build modules of their preferred chain on top of. Everyone is welcome to contribute. The first module has already been integrated into AirGap, Rootstock. It was created by the Rootstock developer team. And since AirGap has carefully audited it, we have directly shipped it with the newest version. With isolated modules, we will continue to grow thanks to our community. Now it's your turn. Contribute now and join the movement. Learn more. Visit support.airgap.it/isolated-module.